हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ उपासना शर्मा। आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे गणेश चतुर्थी पे ऐसे या आर्टिकल कैसे लिख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। गणेश चतुर्थी इज अ फेमस हिंदू रिलीजियन फेस्टिवल that is celebrated on the birthday of Lord Ganesha, who is the youngest son of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, is one of the most important and widely celebrated festivals in India. According to Hindu calendar, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in the month of Bhadrapad. The story of Lord Ganesha's birth is very interesting. According to the story, once while Goddess Parvati wanted to take a bath, there were no attendants around to guard her and stop anyone from accidentally entering the house. Hence, she created an image of a boy out of paste which she prepared to cleanse her body and infused life into it. Thus, Ganesh was born. Unaware of the Ganesha's true identity, Lord Shiva arrived and was stopped by Lord Ganesh from entering the house. This annoyed Lord Shiva and in anger beheaded the boy. After knowing that Lord Ganesh is beheaded, Goddess Parvati was shocked and told Lord Shiva that Lord Ganesh was their son. After listening to the truth, Lord Shiva felt deep regret and instructed his followers to find the head of the first living being they met to recover Ganesh. They were only able to find an elephant's head and brought the boy back to life, thus giving him his classic elephant-headed appearance. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated for 10 days and weeks before the festival. Homes and public places are washed and decorated with colorful rangoli, flowers and lights to welcome Lord Ganesh. Ganesh Chaturthi begins with the setting up of Lord Ganesha's idol on the first day in their homes, which is complete among the chanting of Vedic mantras and performing puja. The rituals performed during Ganesh Chaturthi include Pran Pratishtha and performing Aarti with the deepest prayers and religious songs. The festival teaches a sense of community and togetherness as people come together to attach Lord Ganesha's idol in their homes and public pandals. Lord Ganpati is treated like a divine guest at home, and hence everything that is made in the house is first offered to him. For these 10 days, his idol is not left alone in the house even for a minute. People fast and refrain from eating non-vegetarian or alcohol during this time. Devotees offer a selection of sweets, fruits and flowers to the god as a mark of respect and devotion. The atmosphere is full of melodies, bhajans, kirtans and spiritual dialogues, worshipping Lord Ganesha's greatness and teachings. The festival also witnesses exciting processions with the idol being taken through the streets with much fanfare, music and dance. These processions are a sight to observe as people come together to celebrate the presence of their much loved Lord. Decorative pandals are constructed to house the beautifully crafted idols of Lord Ganesh. These pandals also often represent various themes presenting cultural and social messages. The celebrations reach their peak on the final day of the festival when the idol of Lord Ganesh is taken in a grand procession for sinking. The immersion ceremony represents Lord Ganesha's return to Mount Kailash, his heavenly residence. People bid an emotional farewell to the god, expressing their thankfulness and looking for his blessing for the coming year. The sinking takes place in water bodies like rivers, lakes or the sea, and it is accompanied by prayers, chants and celebrations. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated with great interest and devotion as it is said to bring good wealth, richness and knowledge into people's life. Ganesh Chaturthi is not just a festival, it is an expression of stable faith, love and devotion to Lord Ganesh, who is considered as the remover of difficulties and the giving of success and wealth. The festival is about the value of unity and inclusivity. As people come together to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, they grasp the teachings of Lord Ganesh and find inspiration to lead a life filled with positivity, wisdom and spiritual growth.